Hi guys, and today I'm showing you to use 0.16 hidden items, but this is a part 2. So I talked about in my first video called hidden items, but this is a part 2, guys. Yeah, let's make a part 2, guys. And yeah, so we have these items that I missed on my videos, and these items that I missed on my videos. You first have these ones. So the first one we have is cocoa. So this block was recently added back in like 0.9. I missed it. So yeah, this block, placing it. Okay, placing it to normal, but if you don't know, there's a small thing. Can you mind this? Small things are not mineable. I'm thinking the small block is this ghost block, yeah. So if you place it, yeah, it's cool if you place it on a jungle wood. If this is a yeah, this weird block updates by like placing together, yeah, by placing 2 of these. You also gonna place like this, and yeah, it breaks. We have the piston arm collision. So if you place this block, it doesn't do anything. And yeah, sorry about that. And if you place this, it places just a piston. But yeah, if you don't know, and you can see the outline. You don't know if the outline's this way, but you don't see anything. We have the moving block. Sadly, you can't place it because this block is not placeable. Lit redstone lamp. Yeah, these are the lamp block. Yeah, this is a lit version. We have unlit redstone torch. Cool. We have the redstone dust, but if you hold it, it looks like a white powder. But if you place it, it's just normal. We have hopper. So this is a weird hopper because placing it, it's normal. Yeah, this is a normal block because it works like normal hopper. These two are the unlit and the unlit. Compared to these two are the same as the item, but they're just named unpowered. We talked about these and some other hidden items. So talk about some other items that you're gonna talk about some other items. This and that. We first have the power repeater and power comparator. They're two different. If you place them, they are slid. We have the tripwire. So what is this? This is string. Yeah, this is string. We have the daylight detector that's inverted. If you place this, this is the item that you can get from the create menu, and this one you can't. So this is cauldron. If you place it, it's just normal. It's a normal cauldron. The brewing stand. This is my favorite one. Brewing stand. If you hold it, it looks like there's a potion, but if you place it, it's just the same as hopper. We have the skull. This block is weird because placing it, this block is visible. You can't see. Same as like the piston arm, and yeah, you can mine it. We have the nether wart. It's a block. It's a weird one. So this is a nether wart. If you pick block it, you just actually get the normal one. I'm thinking you can get these. Yeah. So this one of 3 cocoa beans. That's cool. These. We also have some other ones. So the final one we have is a flower pot tile. So this block looks cool, but it looks weird in your inventory. It looks like a camera or glass. I'm thinking it looks like a glass and a camera. If you place it, they're literally just normal. They're just literally this is the item. This is from the create menu, the normal one, and this one is just block. Can't get. We next have the bonus parts. So this part's and these ones are later. So let's talk about these. Now we first have these two. So these two are the new update blocks, like the old update blocks like info update 2, and reserve 6. This one is just 253 and 2. It's tile.253.name and tile.254.name. So I remembered it used to be a glitched grass and a glitched leaves. I'll see you in my other videos later. I'll make a part 3 later. So we have these two. They're just glowing update blocks. So what happens if you... So I found something weird. If you place these on water, they will break into water blocks because they don't work on water. We have the half iron door. It was recently added back in 0.9, but I missed it. If you don't know, yeah, the block looks cool, but if you place it together, I'm thinking this will, like, if you place it together, it will not. You can't open it like the normal door. We have the double slab. It's tile.double/wooden/slab.oak.name. So this is I would talk about the part 3 ones that exist from like 1.0.0. This weird item, if you place it, it's a double oak slab. We have the nether reactor core. Back in 0.9, I didn't talk about it, but they removed the item back in 0.12 because it was the nether update. This block is my favorite. We have the tile.frame.name. So guess what block is it? So you're thinking it's normal, but this block is tile.frame.name, not standing sign or wall sign. If you place it, you can't place it up, but it's just item frames. This one is the melon stem. So back in 1.12, this was named pumpkin stem. Now named melon stem. I'm very happy. You place it, yeah, same as pumpkin stem. We have farmland, so the farmland hasn't changed yet. It's hydrated on your inventory, but placing it, yeah, like back in the time was hydrated. Like it haven't changed. I'm thinking the next update will be fixed. Yeah. We next have two ones that I missed. For example, the double wooden slab and the double portal block. So what is this? So if you place this, sadly, so this is the petrified slab. So it's a petrified slab that you know. So petrified slab is a block. It's a petrified double slab. I will say I'll put other illegams back in. I'll talk about other illegams in 1.0.0 and subscribe. And yeah, we have the wooden slab. Sadly, it's just a stone slab, like back in 0.9. We have the portal. The wooden slab was recently added, but I missed it. The portal block wasn't, because you can do cool stuff. You can go to the nether with this. Let me show you. You can go to the nether like this. Boom. Look, you're designing in the nether. These blocks are cool because they're used for map makers. So this block, if you put in your thing, this block will disappear. So some other blocks we put in the wall, it doesn't work, but the nether pole does work. Cool block. It's just placing it because, yeah, place this nether portal. Wait, we came this way. Pretty interesting. It's OP, guys. Yeah. We talked about these items. I'll show you to obtain these NBT. So to obtain these items, you need to do NBT. But there's some other ones that aren't from NBT. So the first one is the spawn eggs. We have 9 illegal spawn eggs. We have zombie villager. You can't get this from the creative menu. If you go creative menu, nothing. There's no zombie villager spawn egg. We also have the item .spawn.wither.maybe. If you spawn this, it doesn't spawn anything. We have the large fireball spawn egg. Yes, this spawns fireball. Yeah, we should not. No, yeah, this mob disappears. We have the minecart. We have the bow. Pretty interesting. We have the iron golem, snow golem. You can't spawn. We have spawn, but sadly the wither spawning and these two doesn't spawn anything because what the hell? I don't know what is going on with this spawning. We talked about secret spawn eggs. Let's talk about some secret ones that. So this is the final blocks. We have bucket of nether pool and bucket of invisible bedrock. What is invisible bedrock? It's a block that I will not talk about the invisible bedrock. We only talk about the cocoa and melon stem and the glitched grass or glitched whatever, glitched leaves. I don't know whatever it is. We'll not talk about Reserve 6. But if you spawn it, you'll be getting a nether portal. If you can It also works. Let's go. It works. We have bucket invisible bedrock. Wait. It was changed. So back in 0.9 it was an X-ray block. And now it's just a block that's visible. If you mine it, yeah, it's visible. But if you place 2 of this, nothing happens. But yeah, it's a bucket of invisible bedrock. Next, we have this water cauldron. So if we place it, it places a water cauldron. We finally have grass pad. So this item, you can't obtain it from give. These are, the data value is 90, and this data value is 95. This data value is 9, and this one, not data value. You can't get this from give. You use NBT again. It's the grass pad. You can't get it from the create menu. See, even the farmland you can't get from the create menu. Yeah, they're not creative blocks. They're blocks that you can't do anything. All right. Right, we talked about these. So the data value for this is 44. This one is like 52. This one is 85. This one is 88. This one is 84. This one is 90. This one is 20. This one is 21. And this one is just, this one you can use give. And yeah. So those are for the video, and subscribe. And let me show you how you can get these illegal items. They're pretty simple. So the first you're gonna do is to go, no, okay, no, okay. The first you're gonna go is to do this, and once we go to the Pocket Invinator, let's talk about 2 blocks that change their texture. That's the glitched stone and invisible bedrock. Boom, and yeah. And this is the final legal. And let me show you why their textures changed. Because the reserve 6. What is going on? Okay, can't go Minecraft. Let's go this and go this. Nope. Now if you go, these 2 blocks are changed. So the reserve 6 and the invisible bedrock. What the heck? Why there's this texture? Okay, so we have reserve 6. So this block, if you place it, it places just fine. It's just normal. But this block, instead of the stone, the smooth stone block, the double stone slab block thingy, yeah. And now they updated the texture back in 1.14. Yeah, the invisible bedrock. This is a diorite version, and if you go. Why it's diorite? Because, okay, let's do like this again. Go. Yeah. So there's a diorite bedrock and andesite. So the invisible bedrock has varieties. Okay, we have the andesite. There's also diorite and andesite, stone, whatever texture. The original texture is stone, but if you use Pocket Invinator, like this app, Block Topograph will give you the normal one, the stone one. But if you use the Pocket Invinator app, you get the andesite or diorite. So the data, let's see, and those are for the video, and subscribe.